Hello and welcome to Love Anything Art. I'll begin by taking a piece of paper and cutting out a triangle shape. I'm going to use this as a template to wrap my spiral tree around. It doesn't have to be perfect, your shape that you cut out. It will work out in the end. And since I did fold it in half, I'll just cut that in half. Then I will just gently start rolling it up. And then I'll take a piece of tape and put it right there along the seam and tape the two ends together. I'll tuck the tape in there at the bottom. And I'll cut off the bottom part of the cone to make it nice and flat, and so that it sets up. And I'm taking some candy cane I made in my very first holiday themed earring video. And I will leave a link for that in the description box below. I'll just take some of that and I will give it a nice twist to give it the candy cane twist. And then I'll start wrapping that around one of my cones. And you do want the layers or spirals to be pretty close together, and this will help make the tree a little bit sturdier. And then on the top, I will flatten it a little bit and then fold it over on itself so that it creates a loop. And this is what our spiral tree will hang from on our earring hook. Then you can just bend it back into place. I've taken some red clay and I'm going to roll it flat on this piece of paper. And I'm going to take this star cutter, which I will dip in some alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and this will help it from sticking to the cutter. And unfortunately, it did stick to my cutter, even though I did that, but I just took a Q-tip and popped it out, and it popped out pretty easy. And then you can just trim up the sides there, make them all nice and even and pretty. And I'll put a little mark on the back side, and this is where my little metal hook is going to set in. And I will bake it just like that. And I will bake my trees and my stars. I'll remove my spiral trees from my paper. It comes off fairly easy. And I will glue in the little eye hook that goes on the back of the star. And then I'll put my little earring stem on there. And I am going to resin just the spiral part of the tree. I will not resin the stars. And I'm going to do that before I put everything together. And it's easier just to kind of resin just one half and then put that under a UV lamp and then do the bottom half. And this is them after I've assembled them. I thought they came out very nice, better than I even hoped. And they are kind of springy. I wouldn't pull too hard on them because they probably would break. But they're kind of fun. And I can't wait to wear these. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!